It's a 2019 Audi A6. Powerful performance is in Audi's DNA, and it has never been more evident than in this commanding and efficient A6. 2019 marks a full redesign, including the chassis and engine. It's well equipped with the features you need: integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated leather bucket seats, refrigerated box located in the glove box, aluminum wheels, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, power tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and auto shift manual transmission. This A6 is crafted with precision, appointed luxuriously, and built with performance in mind. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today. At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on 1141 Cobb Parkway Southeast in Marietta, Georgia.